Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Edge 30 Neo has a fingerprint sensor. So to do this, let's open up our settings. Here we want to find a security tab or biometrics. There should be fingerprint right here, and let's set it up with a pattern. But that way we can already confirm that this device has a fingerprint. Now we just need to know where it is. So it seems it's on the screen right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.